Here I'll show you how to move picture in Premiere Pro. First of all, select your clip and you have to duplicate your image clip just like this, and then select the upper one and under effect controls expand opacity, and here select the pen tool, and now you have to select your image subject just like this. Once you successfully selected, enable keyframe for position and scale, and then move your playhead, and here add another position or scale, and I want to zoom in this image in this position, so here's I'm adding the value 150%, and also I'm going to move my image horizontally and vertically a little bit, so here's I'm adding position value. Then mask feather give here 70%, and mask expression give here 25, and then let's play our video or timeline, and as you can see my picture is now moving, only the selected part is now moving. That's it.